So no matter which website you visit, you are bound to get a form that the website will require you to fill out. Doesn't matter whether it's a subscription-based form, whether it's the contact information that someone wants to collect, or any other types of form. Even within internal organization, there are forms on local intranets, maybe on SharePoint or other local sites within the organization. Hi, welcome to this course. This course is all about Google Forms scripting from beginner to expert. My name is Syed, and I'll be the instructor for this course. I've been in the training industry for a little over 20 years, and I have over 45 courses at Udemy, teaching happy 200,000 students. Let me walk you through the course agenda so you will know exactly what I'll be covering in this course. I'm going to walk you through from scratch how to create a Google form using code. So we'll be programming and coding, and I'll walk through the basic programming fundamental concepts such as variables, methods, classes, procedures, subroutines, and so on, just so that you get comfortable with the basic scripting processes. Once that's out of the way, then we'll dive into creating Google Forms using code. So I'm going to walk you through how to create a Google form. I'm going to walk you through adding animations to the header. I'm going to walk you through creating sections on your form, creating questions such as multiple choice questions, item choices questions, and I'll also demonstrate how to add a video or embed video on your forms directly through coding. And there's much more that I'm going to cover as well. Who's this course for? I've designed this course for beginners, but if you're an intermediate or expert user, definitely you'll find some tips and techniques that are valuable to you. I welcome your feedback. Once you go through the content, take a look at the content. If you find the content valuable, I'll appreciate a review. So the goal of this course is to take you from beginner to expert, how to create Google Forms, how to embed videos, how to add images, how to create your headers, how to customize your form, do some form enhancement, and pretty much all of that through code. So I'm going to walk through a lot of methods, a lot of coding, scripting. We're going to be using the Google G Suite Developer Hub primarily to work through our scripting processes. Once we're done through the scripting process, I'm also going to walk through creating Google Forms directly from the tool menu as well, so you get the best of both worlds throughout this entire process. So what are you waiting for? Click on the enroll button now, and I will see you in class.